Hello gardeners! Welcome back to our channel where we share the best tips and tricks for a thriving garden. Proper watering is essential for healthy zucchini plants, especially in raised beds and containers where moisture can evaporate quickly. Without the right watering techniques, your zucchini might struggle to grow and produce. In today's video, I'll share how to water zucchini consistently to support robust growth. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these tips will help you get the most out of your zucchini plants. First, let's talk about the importance of deep, consistent watering. This method ensures that water reaches the root zone, which is crucial for the plant's health. Zucchini thrives with deep watering that encourages roots to grow downward, accessing nutrients and stabilizing the plant. Deep roots mean stronger plants that can withstand dry spells and produce more fruit. Water deeply once or twice a week, ensuring the water reaches several inches into the soil. This helps the roots grow deeper and makes the plant more resilient. Now, for raised beds and containers, these setups can be fantastic for gardening, but come with their own set of challenges. These can dry out more quickly than in-ground gardens, so check the soil daily, especially on hot days. Stick your finger into the soil up to the second knuckle to see if it's dry. Water at the base of the plant, avoiding wetting the leaves, and consider adding mulch to maintain consistent moisture levels. Mulch helps retain moisture and keeps the soil temperature stable. As the weather changes, your watering schedule should too. Different weather conditions can affect how quickly the soil dries out. During hot or windy days, you may need to water more frequently to keep the soil evenly moist. Wind can dry out the soil faster than you might expect. Monitoring and adjusting based on weather ensures your zucchini stays hydrated and healthy. Keep an eye on the forecast and adjust your watering routine accordingly. Remember, consistent, deep watering is key to thriving zucchini plants. Healthy plants are more productive and less prone to diseases. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy growing! We hope these tips help you achieve a bountiful zucchini harvest.